Hey y'all, it's Kelly with Green Touch Industries, trailerracks.com. And today I'm here to talk to y'all about welding our racks onto your trailers and trucks and why we do not, and I repeat, do not recommend doing it. Reason number one as to why you should not at all weld our racks onto your trailers or trucks is because right off the bat, it just voids your warranty. We have a warning on the website and also in the box when you get it to not weld the equipment because it does void your warranty right away. All right, reason two as to why you should not weld our racks onto your trailers. Now, as you're driving down the road, if your racks were to be welded onto your trailers, there would be no give and no play, and you need a little bit of play there for your equipment and your racks to be able to sway a little bit. If it's too stagnant, that causes the shaft of the rack to break or even your own equipment to break. So there you have it. Those are our top two reasons as to why you shouldn't weld our racks onto your trailers or trucks. Now go to trailerracks.com for more.